heading up the Stevenson Express Trail, or chair, high-speed detachable quad and Camelback on March 24th, 2014. It's KJ's birthday tomorrow, and they're bringing snow for you. You should come out for sure. Here's the roller coaster you can put Ethan on, but I don't think it's going to be open tomorrow. But this is a really cool thing they had open yesterday, and the parents are riding down this sled with brakes on it with their kids in them. And I think it's open on the weekends. It's pretty cool looking. See it? See the track? My battery's flashing, so I'm trying to ride this video all the way up to the top to show you how fast we're going, top to bottom and bottom to top. I can't get it. Usually I could step right in my step-ins. Not when it's on video. That would make too much sense. There it is. Locked and loaded. Green means go. Look at this trail. There's no ice on that. It's all like packed powder, granular. It's amazing. It's not going up to 30, maybe 35 today, but I don't even think so. Maybe at the very bottom. Here comes the top of the lift. We're at 3:05. 3:10, 3 minutes, 10 seconds. Tips up. And there's the Great Wolf Lodge Indoor Water Park, right?